Can you give a brief description of your musical background in general? What musical genres are you into the most? What instrument do you play, and so on?
I learned piano as an adult
Mhm.
and take few lessons online and with private teachers on piano, and try a lot of ear training courses unsuccessfully.
Yeah.
You guys, yeah. So I'm playing pop, mostly pop, and yeah.
Okay. What was your process for developing your musical hearing skills prior to using Use Your Ear?
Traditional interval training, the fifth, the third.
Yeah, of course.
I tried multiple courses, multiple apps, you name it. Try many of them.
Okay. What challenges, problems were your experiences that led you to search for a solution?
Because even after you learn the interval, you can't apply it in real song, right? In real situations, the root keep moving, right? And you try to apply the more, interval method, and it just doesn't really on different pitch. It just sound different. It just doesn't get there.
Yeah.
But when I hear about you guys and you guys talk about the thing that resonates the most is when you guys talk about the sensation.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's the aha. Yeah, I do feel those sensations, but I wanted to train more of the sensation. You hear the fifth, you know it. You hear the third, you kind of know it. You hear the sixth, you knew it. But by trying the interval, it just didn't get you there in real situation, right?
Yeah.
You can't translate it into real situation. Maybe if you sit with the piano and you learn it, you could figure it out. But in real song, real play, if you want to do solo and use that, it's just the thinking process is too long.
Of course.
Possible, and then you apply it. It just doesn't. I quite never get there for some reason.
Yeah. Okay. How did you hear about Use Your Ear?
Yeah, it's just pop up on my YouTube because I'm searching for ear training.
Yeah.
And I think one of the video that talked about the sensations of different resolutions of each of the note, and it just resonated with me. I want to try it.
How long have you been following the Use Your Ear method?
Maybe 6 weeks, 8 weeks.
6 weeks. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What type of goals do you want to accomplish using this method?
Want to be able to pick out melody by ears and just play on the instrument, right? Be able to listen to the song and pick out the chord progressions, right, by ears.
Okay. What was the most obvious advantage you felt the Use Your Ear method offered compared to other methodologies?
Advantage of this use your ear method versus the other?
Yeah.
It's the practical musical applications right away, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you can do melodic dictations, you can listen to it, you can find the root, you find it's practical right away.
Yeah.
It's and it's related to what you do and you hear every day. So it's not like interval method. Yeah, you learn the interval method. Yeah, you pick out the interval, but then how are you gonna apply it? Right?
Yeah.
No parallel application. And you learn it, you know it, but then you can apply it, right?
Sure.
And on this method, I think two things that I like is that you can apply it. Plus also the lesson is very structured. So you take it step by step.
Yeah.
And it's broken down to small chunk. And and then you get to result right away after you get the exercise.
Great, thank you. So, by following this course, have you noticed any improvements in your musical hearing skills? If so, what?
Yeah, I think just going through unit 1 right now, my improvement is to be able to sing these side singing, right? You can side sing now. I wasn't a side sing before.
Great. Okay, do you think that developing your musical hearing skills also impacted other music-related skills? Maybe you're playing or singing or whatever?
Definitely, yeah.
Okay. What has most impressed you about the methodology we suggest?
It's, like I said, step by step and structure. You got drill down to, do this instead. Stay with this course. Do this. Don't skip a step. Go back. Do this.
Yeah.
Structure, very methodological. In order. So it reinforces us just to stay on course, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
distracted. And then there's application right after that, right? Or the test sequence, not random, right? It's the key, right? And you kind of
Yeah.
develop the skill from the fundamental. I'm looking forward to go to the advanced step, but
with
it's
apps you have like
random go
run.
anywhere. At first, I found it strange that you broke the video into like small chunks, five minutes, a lot of clicking, a lot of going through. But then after I use it, then I start to realize, it is the broken down to the chunk approach is make it manageable.
Okay, do you plan to continue following this method in the future?
Yeah. I want to see what it takes me. Definitely.
Yeah, of course. Okay, great.
All right.
Thank you very, very much.